it's Kelly, and I am back with another layout. And I'm going to do a birthday layout today. I haven't done one of those in a while. All my grandkids' birthdays occur in the first half of the year. So once I'm through that, I don't have as many, except my dear boyfriend has a November birthday. So I have his birthday to Scrapbook. So this is the dessert. I took him out for a really nice dinner. He turned 60 last year. Lucky him. And so I took him out for a really nice dinner. And this is the dessert that they brought him. Even though we had said we didn't want any, they still brought him a dessert, which I thought was sweet. And we didn't want any because we were really full. we were thinking about maybe going out for a little bit of ice cream later, but once they brought this little brownie and we shared it, and that was enough. So anyway, the green paper that I'm using with all the little phrases on it is from Pebbles Happy Hooray, the Rainbow-tastic paper. And then I have that polka dot paper, which is from Pebbles Happy Hooray Cake Time. And then lastly, the background is going to be that orange paper from Pebbles Happy Hooray Eat Cake. How appropriate. And then I did grab a journaling card from Ellie's Studio. That was a birthday collection years ago. This is probably, 3 to 5 years old right now. And I have just a couple of these left because the colors are a little bit more muted than a lot of the birthday collections that I'm using. And I know the cake is pink, but it's the idea. So, and this is going in my album, so I will scrap with the pink cake for a boy if I want to. I took that yellow paper from Happy Hooray, the Make-A-Wish paper, and I used my EK Success embossed dot punch on that to put a little, I want to put a little border on something. I'm thinking about using some phrases from this Pebbles, that's the Pebbles sticker book that goes with Happy Hooray. So I just wanted to pull that out so I didn't forget it. And then, spoiler alert, I ended up not using those. But that's okay. I solved that in another way. I decided that I wanted to put that, instead of putting it at the bottom of the polka dot paper, I decided I wanted to put it at the bottom of the green paper. So I ended up cutting one side of it, and then I'll cut the other so it's even with that. So there we go. All right, and I'm liking how that looks. I do want to put something up on the top left there somewhere, and I'm looking for that and trying to figure out what else I'm going to do to pull this all together here. Right now the colors are pretty light, and that photograph is kind of dark. So I'm kind of trying to think of how we can sort of change that up a little bit. And I do like this border sticker here. I was thinking about putting it along the bottom, but this border sticker is not 12 inches. It's not a full 12 inches from Bella Boulevard, which why would they do that? But they did. So instead, I put that border sticker, which is from the Bella Boulevard Wish Big Sticky Mix cardstock stickers, over the top of the other border sticker. And then I added in that "Did Someone Say Cake" phrase sticker from that sticky mix as well. And then there's a little piece there that says "Birthday Boy." And I'm liking how that blue, that navy blue, sort of draws your eye away from how dark that is. Added in that little candle sticker and then the heart, just because he's my guy. So I thought that would be kind of fun, that heart in red, and then it pulls in some of the red from the polka dots, and there's red in that cake. I have this sticker sheet here, and that sticker, it's from the Paper Studio, which is Hobby Lobby, and it's the La Petite's dimensional stickers. I like having presents because they're sort of neutral. You can use them for anybody's birthday. Sometimes I'll use them for Christmas as well, but I like that. And that sticker is really, really dimensional. So I'm kind of playing around with how I want this, how I want this to layer. And I kind of like that layers over that printed on label there. Now, so I'm going to have to put some foam tape under here because that's so layered and those stickers are on top of that. Well, it's so layered I had to put 2 pieces of foam tape on it. Normally one is plenty, but it's kind of amazing how high that is. But I do like that little extra pop that it gives, and it's that, you know, I'm using that blue again and the yellow and an aqua, so I like how that's kind of all bringing that in. That green paper is almost aqua, but it is still a bit green. So I thought about a present up there. I need something with that phrase sticker, but not sure what. And then I find this little, this is another cake sticker, but this one is in the blue and the aqua and a green. A little bit different than the green that's appearing, but that's okay. Close enough. And that kind of anchors that sticker a bit. So I like that. And this is where I'm pulling in phrase stickers from that. And this is all from that Wish Big collection sticker sheet from Bella Boulevard, as is that. So here's this red phrase sticker and a red arrow, and I added those in because I have the red heart, and so I wanted to bring in some more red so that heart didn't look, it would have looked a little lonely. I know there's red on the cake, but it would have looked pretty lonely if it was the only red. And when I took that off and then put the glue down, I messed that up a little bit. All right, so I have that yellow heart from that Wish Big sheet. So I'm going to add that on, playing around a little bit with where that's going to go. And I'm bringing that in because there's yellow along the bottom, and then there's yellow on that present. So I want to pull in some yellow towards the top. It was looking like it was missing something, and I think it was that yellow. And then I'm going to use the Did Someone Say Cake for the title, but I added in these puffy numbers from Ellie Studio Puffy alphabet stickers. I don't think that they sell these anymore, and just did hashtag 60 here. Pulled that in a little bit closer to the cluster so that it didn't look like it was hanging out all on its own. I had it a little bit far away. All right. Kind of liking how that looks. And then playing around with, I'm going to add that little sticker there, and then I added some green enamel hearts from Altenew Green Meadows, which you're not going to see because I did it after I shut everything off. So here's the still shot and a couple of detail shots. Hope you're all well, and I'll be back again with another layout soon. Bye, everybody.